Well, we are getting ready to start the basement project, which includes the furnace and just redoing stuff in the basement that needs done. Um, it's going to take a long time to get it done, but it's a mess down there. So we're going to go down and see what we can get started with. I have a clue as to what I'm going to start with, but I'll take you down there to see. Let's go. All right. Hard to see right now. We'll get down here in the basement and see what's going on. Can't see it. There's a big hole in the wall over here that we've got to fix. So before we can do that, let's I've got to get it plugged in up here. We've got wires everywhere. There we go. All right, now I've got lights in the other room now where it's such a mess. So here's the hole I've got to fix. I'm not sure what this was. Cold door. It was something that, because it just doesn't, it looks too perfect. It's straight on the edge down here, and I just don't know what this originally was. We've got moistness down here. I'm gonna have to put some sort of drain in somehow in this place to keep it from flooding out. I'm going to redo a lot of this basement, so stay tuned. Well, first we're going to we are going to fix this hole down here. I'm going to put new rock in, cement or probably mortar. But I've got to clean it out. I got to clean some of that dirt out. It just goes right out to the dirt right out here. So anyway, that's where we're going to start. Stay tuned. Good afternoon. It's I believe it's the 3rd of March 2025, and this is where I'm starting my basement series on our house. Our plans is to redo some of this basement, and it's just an very old basement, probably, I don't know, 1900s, early 1900s. This was built, and it's just a hodgepodge of things. We've got wires everywhere that I'm eventually going to redo. I mean, everything works in the house. It's just old. It's kind of like an old dungeon. But anyway, we're going to put a new furnace in here, Mr. Cool Universal. I believe it's a 4 to 5 ton furnace. See it here. But I got my solar system back there. But so we're getting ready to start this, and it's going to be a big job. So I'm just cleaning up today and trying to get a few things ready to go to clean that out and put new stone in and cover up this hole, which, like I said before, I'm not sure what that is, but we're gonna redo some things and see if we can't get this place fixed up. As you see, we've got the wall here, and I've got a lot of mortaring to do to fix it. We're going to redo this cold door here, and just got a dungeon down here. We're going to dig some of this out, this dirt, and maybe use cement or something. I've got to I got to make a drain because I get water down in the middle of the basement. That's the old furnace across the way there. I got to dig that out and put a drain in, probably all the way around to the actual floor drain down there. So it's just a mess, but we'll make the best of it. So anyway, that's where we're at. That's where we're starting. So until next time, I'll see you soon. Okay, here we go. Getting ready to clean on it. Now, one block I'm going to put bricks in. There's a lot of bricks in here. Put some bricks in here. Can't put too many in there. It'd be too heavy to carry out of here. I think you ought to hear me. That's probably enough of that for bricks. And then I'll start sweeping some of this dirt out. Eesh. I don't want to make too big a mess here, but I got to get this stuff cleaned up. I'll have to really probably vacuum it out. Oh, that's why I've got my mask on. Oh, I got trash. There's trash in here. That'll have to actually go in a trash bag. Yeah. That's an actual rock. Nope, it's a brick. Trash. Now let's get all this dirt out of here. So that I can put new mortar in. It's a mess, that's for sure. That is for sure. Oh my gosh, man. Pretty nasty. Man, oh man.
trying to separate the rock out from the dirt. It looks like this may have been a door or something, and they just caved a bunch of bricks in out there. It may have been like an old basement access door or something. I don't know. It's just weird. It's just really weird the way it's put together. I'd say this could have been an access door that they were able to access the basement from the outside. A lot of old houses had them. Got my little digger tool, and I am getting ready to kind of start cleaning this out a little bit if I can. Oh, it's hard to hear me. A lot of dirt in here. It's a dish. Alright, we got brick. These are probably really old brick too. Yeah. These are brick made in the 1800s. I doubt it. I don't know about that. But I bet they're brick made in the 20s probably. So I'd say. You know? Oh gosh.
Well, this is where I'm going to end the video. I got quite a bit done as far as cleaned out. I'm just trying to get it all cleaned out so that I can put new mortar in. So, and then start stacking up stone in there and fill that hole up. So here's where I got to today. If you can see it or not. Just cleaning it out. A bunch of rock came out. So anyway, that's where we're going to end the video. See you on next video.